You speak English fluently, people say you are great at communication, but when IELTS results come out, it's band 7 again. Why? So Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum guys. So welcome to IELTS Maximum by Hamza, your go-to place to unlock your success. Today we are exposing the real reasons why so many candidates with excellent English get stuck at band 7. If this sounds like your story, then stick with me till the end because I am going to break the band 7 curse with practical and reliable solutions which you can use today. The part 1 of this video is about IELTS band 7 is not about the fluency alone. Let's be honest, band 7 is not a punishment, it's actually a compliment. It means you speak fluently, you have a good range of vocabulary, your grammar is decent and your pronunciation is clear. Band 7 also means that you lack depth, flexibility and spontaneity in your answers. The IELTS examiners are trained to assess these specific criteria. According to the British Council and Cambridge, the key criteria are fluency and coherence, lexical resource, grammatical range, accuracy, and fifth one is the pronunciation. These are the 5 factors which combined to give the marking criteria to the examiners, and they judge you on the basis of these 5 things in IELTS speaking. And if you are band 7 in all of the criteria which I have just mentioned, then you are not band 8 yet. Now let's focus on the deadly mistakes which people make which make them stuck at band 7. First thing is over rehearsed answers. Your answers sound like a memorized script, and guess what, examiners can smell it. And how you can fix this thing is very simple. Focus on the natural delivery rather than perfection. You can use the fillers like well, to be honest, and sound more conversational. Second mistake is the limited range of vocabulary. You are using words like good, bad again and again and again and again. And how you can fix this? Just replace these basic words with the precise ones. For example, you can replace the word important with crucial, vital, essential. You can replace the word good with effective, beneficial, etc. Third thing which is very important is the safe grammar choices. You try to avoid complex grammar to play it safe. And how you can fix this thing? Just use 2 complex sentences naturally in each part. Try conditionals, relative clauses or passive voice. Fourth and the biggest mistake which stuck you at band 7 in IELTS speaking is the lack of coherence. You guys give short undeveloped answer without explanation or examples. And how you can fix the lack of coherence problem? Just use the PREP formula. PREP. Point, reason, example, personal story. Fifth one, the biggest mistake in my opinion is the flat pronunciation. You try to speak in monotone or pause awkwardly in front of the examiner. And how you can fix this problem? Use intonation and connected speech. Record yourself and listen for emotion. Trust me, examiners love expressions. And let me share with you guys the most astonishing fact. According to the IDP and British Council, 70% of the test takers stuck between band 6 and 7, and only 10% are of the candidates which score 8 or above. This stat actually proves that people with good English can stuck at band 7 or 6 because they do not meet the examiner's expectation or criteria which I have just mentioned at the start of the video. So let us just completely wrap up the whole video in a nutshell for you guys in 2 to 3 points. Record your mock test and evaluate yourself. Record yourself and evaluate your mock test by yourself. Get feedback from a certified IELTS tutor. Practice spontaneity, not memorization. Work on your weakest criteria. Speak smarter, not more. Last thing, band 8 and 9 candidates just don't speak perfect English. They speak naturally, expressively and confidently. So if you like this video, just hit the bell icon, just hit the subscribe button and do like it and do share with your friends who are stuck at band 7 in IELTS speaking. So see you in the next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.